Hi, this is Sean here, and I have something really special for you. But first, let me ask you this. Do you value your time? If your answer is yes, this is for you. If you value time as much as me and many other successful business owners out there, this might be a good fit for you. Let's face it, building an online business takes a lot of time, whether you like it or not. You need to create your own product, write your own sales copy, make your own sales funnel, design your own graphics, and so on. It might take weeks or months before you figure everything out and launch it in the marketplace. But what if something went wrong and failed? You've just flushed weeks or even months of hard work down the drain. Wouldn't it be much easier, faster, and more profitable if everything was all done for you? Yes, my team and I decided to offer this service to help you set up your very own brand new list building and cash generating system so that you can start making money right away without the hassles of doing it yourself and having everything on autopilot. Please take note that we are setting up an entire sales funnel for you and not just a simple product for your website. This sales funnel has never been released to the public, so it's 100% brand new and unique, not any products you've seen up to this point. We do this to make sure that only you and a small portion of my VIP customers can take advantage of this limited time sales funnel package and make a massive killing online. You can run through the details for the entire system by scrolling down the page. But to give you a rough idea of what you're getting, the done-for-you system is made up of 9 main components. Number 1, brand new front-end product. Number 2, extra bonuses for fast action takers to radically boost your conversion. Number 3, exclusive special report as lead magnet and professionally done landing page. Number 4, high converting front-end sales page and thank you page. Number 5, hypnotizing video sales letter for your front end and upsell. Number 6, high converting one-time offer. Number 7, irresistible downsell offer. Number 8, premium done-for-you video training site. And number 9, personalized rapport building, sales generating email series loaded into your autoresponder account. All 9 components 100% done for you and ready to be uploaded to your server so that you can start sending traffic and cash in right away. Remember, this is not just any other product. This is an entire sales funnel set up for you to profit right away. Think of this as an investment to your brand new business. You don't even have to stress yourself on building the business from the ground up. What I've shown you is our done-for-you sales funnel package. If you're not interested in a brand new sales funnel, how about we set up your existing PLR products that you bought from us for just a one-time fee with done-for-you light option? Heck, why not both with Done For You Premium, whereby we set 2 brand new sales funnels up for you for a much lower price. We've done all the hard work for you. You have the foundation, system, and everything you need to launch your business right away. All you need to do is drive traffic and boom, profit. To get started, all you need to do is submit your details and our team will take care of the rest in the next 5 working days. If this sounds like something you would like to have and you value your time more than anything else, then this is something you should really consider, because what you're about to get is an entire business model built into your server so that you can send traffic and profits over and over again. So if you wish to skip the hassles of doing everything yourself and have my team and I handle everything for you in an inexpensive or affordable investment, then this is absolutely for you. Remember that you get to see this page only once because I want to make this opportunity strictly exclusive for fast action takers. So there you have it. We look forward to working with you soon.